Wix tutorial, how to create Wix art portfolio website step by step. Hi there, you guys. Are you looking forward to put up your art portfolio on Wix? Then you land on the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you how to do just that. So yes, if you want to create websites on Wix, make sure you have an account first, and creating an account is easy. Just head on to the link down below and it will lead you to Wix. And after that, you can just hit on continue with Chrome or Google if you're using a Google account to browse, or if you're using Chrome to browse right now, Wix. And then you'll just have to click that, click grant, and then you're in. Right. So the first thing that you'll notice once you log into Wix is that you'll see a lot of templates to choose from. And we're going to do exactly just that. But you can also immediately start from scratch, but we're looking forward to create art portfolios, right? So now I want to talk about what makes a good art portfolio. Basically, this is what we need to understand first before we start playing around with the different stuff on screen, so that we'll have an idea of how to make eye-catching makes a good sorry, I think I forgot the art portfolio. Now here. Now, one tip that it says here is that your art portfolio should show a diverse range of skill and visual experiences. And it should also demonstrate that you are able to use and experiment with a with a range of styles, mediums, and techniques, and can control, apply, and manipulate mediums in a skillful, appropriate, and international way. So yeah, I'm not really an artist myself, but I think that creating a perfect portfolio or a good portfolio in Wix involves a lot of stuff, not only the contents that should be in the website, but how you lay out your website as well. And I believe if you're looking forward to use Wix, they have really good templates for you to start with, and they won't disappoint your artworks. I think they'll even give it justice, if you ask me. But you might be creating a profile or a portfolio for one reason. Of course, you want to start selling your work. You want to start monetizing your talent. And that's where websites like this come in pretty handy. You can also not only build a portfolio, but you can choose to add in or embed in link that will fund your costs. And you can do just that by putting in links right on your website. But basically, we're looking to make a portfolio, and let's go ahead and do just that. Now, we have here different things on screen, but don't get overwhelmed. What you want to do is go to this one right here. Basically, this is where you manage your sites, and you can see that we are under my site number 2. Now, what I want you to do is to create a new site by clicking this button. And it'll redirect us to this page, this website editor page, where there are lots of things where we can do dragging and dropping elements on screen, choosing templates to work with. Now, we want to create an art portfolio. So we're going to choose, or we're going to search just that, art portfolio, and I'm going to hit on next. Okay, pretty much excited on what we have here. Now, before they'll show us the templates, you'll see here first what are the things that you need to have on your site, on your portfolio. Do you need like chat? Yeah, chat function, basically chatting with your visitors. Do you need like an online store function? Will you be selling stuff on your website? Will you be needing forums? Are you going to get information from your visitors? Or are you going to be showing it to, are you going to link your Instagram to your website? Are you going to include bookings, events? Are you going to include blogs or pricing plans? Are you going to put videos, musics? Are you going to push out or put out online programs? Or are you going to discuss on forums? That is going to be totally up to you, but I'm going to go ahead and choose chat, forums, and I think Instagram feed is also cool. And forums will also be nice when people start talking about my art. So I'm going to hit on next. So as an artist, ask yourself which one of these functions do you really need on your site. Now it asks us if this is what your nth time creating a website. I've created a few. Yeah, it's not my first time, but I've created a few. Always choose a template. Don't choose this one. Choose a template. Okay. And hope it shows us good ones. All right. We have different results for art portfolio. Actually have a couple. We have here focusing on the artist, Peter Collins. We have here the art photographer, white background, artist as well. So you guys, you can choose to view the template by clicking that, and you'll see how it's going to look like, how the elements are moving on screen. Yep, this one looks totally nice. And we have more. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And if you want to edit it already, once we've decided to sit on this, and it's going to take a while to load up, you guys, I'm telling you, don't lose your patience here, because the thing with Wix is that it loads up pretty much or quite a long time. I'm not sure if it's just the connection in my area, but it's been happening for like quite a long time now. Ever since I've started using Wix when I was a kid, it's loading up like this. But I'm not sure if there's like a new version of Wix out there like faster. I'm not sure, but I pretty much heard about that somewhere on the internet. Like there's a new version of Wix going on with a lot faster processing and stuff like that, but I'm not sure actually. I'll just have to go and verify. But yeah. Okay. Why is this element here? Shop element. I'm pretty sure this shouldn't be here. Alright. Maybe take it back first. It should be just an art portfolio. What's wrong? Okay, let me just delete this one. Oh. Okay. Yep, it's a Wix store and it shouldn't be here. Okay. This section should be gone. All right, I'm not sure why it's there, but yeah, this is how the template looks like. Okay, shouldn't be here. Really. Okay, it won't delete itself. I don't know why. But yeah, you can see that we can see now the elements that we've added. You can see here the selected work, the about, the contact, and there's also like the name of the site. You can edit it by, double clicking, and then you can also see here the members chat or the forum that we've actually added. Now to set this up, you can click settings. And then you can see here main, display, design, texts, and a lot more options to set up. And you can manage chat by clicking this button. And then you can manage here how you want to talk with your visitors or how you want to interact with your visitors, like the chatting hours, the pre-chat form, what information would you need from them, and fact buttons. You can also set them up. But yeah, tons of things to do here in Wix, but I cannot actually talk about it with the short amount of time that I have on this video. But yeah, that's how you set up your members chat and how you start working with your art portfolio here on Wix. There are a lot of templates to guide you, so you don't have to worry about that. So you guys, if you like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. But if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, make sure that you do as well. It will really help us a lot. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope to see you again on the next one. Peace out.